Are you trying to decide between Remnote and Obsidian? You're not alone. Both tools help you organize your thoughts and notes, but they do it in different ways. Let's start with what they both do. Remnote and Obsidian are note taking apps that allow you to capture ideas, create connections, and build a personal knowledge base. They both aim to help you remember more and learn better. Now, let's look at Remnote. This tool focuses on spaced repetition. It helps you remember information by showing you flashcards at the right time. You can create notes that link to each other, making it easy to connect ideas. It's great for students or anyone who wants to memorize facts. On the other hand, we have Obsidian. This app is all about linking your thoughts. It uses a unique graph view to show how your notes connect. You can write in Markdown, which gives you a lot of flexibility. Obsidian is perfect for writers and researchers who want to explore their ideas deeply. So, what are the main differences? Remnote is more structured, focusing on learning and memorization. Obsidian is more freeform, allowing you to create a web of ideas. When it comes to features, Remnote offers flashcards and spaced repetition. Obsidian shines with its graph view and markdown support. Both have plugins to extend their capabilities, but they cater to different needs. Uh, in terms of pricing, Remnote has a free version with basic features and a paid plan for advanced tools. Obsidian also offers a free version, but some features require a one time payment. In the end, if you want to memorize information, go with Remnote. If you prefer exploring ideas and making connections, Obsidian is the better choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.